Buti na lang, may Happy Life Organics waterless shampoo. Dahil dito, hindi na kailangang sabunin at panlawan, wisik-wisik lang, spray-spray, rub-rub at punas lang. Ayan at nakikipaghatakan pa nga ng tuwalya. O diba, edi ang bangbango na ulit ng bebe na yan. Hay nako, ikaw ha, kaliligo mo lang kung saan-saan ka na naman nagsusuot. Kita mo yan, kamot ka na naman ng kamot. Liga, ligo ka na, gamit ang favorite mong Happy Life Death Shampoo and Conditioner. So 2-in-1 na siya, shampoo and conditioner. It soothes any itchy areas, removes any unwanted odors, promotes healthy coat and shine, it's safe and guilt-free wash. At dahil all natural at organic product to, safe tong gamitin for preggy, nursing, and newly vaccinated pets. Wow! Super clean, soft, and shiny na ng coat ng baby na yan. Anong masasabi mo ha? At share ko lang din pala sa inyo no, na si Maru ay potty trained. Pero lately, etong spot na to talaga, favorite niyang iyan yan pag walang stool na nakalagay. Kaya naman gumagamit din kami ng multipurpose cleaner ng Happy Life dahil perfect to for deodorizing any pet surface. It's safe and hypoallergenic. Again, it's safe to use kasi it's all natural and organic. At meron din pala silang pet balm for anti-bac, antifungal, and insect after bite. Pili na rin kayo nito para